Hey guys, it's M from MKS Accountant. So this is a practical example. We just received a letter from the ATO regarding one of our clients' 2024 tax return that was lodged last year. And the letter actually stipulates that the client actually owes Medicare Levy Surcharge. The reason being is that the ATO is now very smart and it's got the data matching programs that automatically detect these variances. Now, when we're completing the tax return for any client or when you're completing your tax return on MyGov, there is a section around the Medicare levy that says where you and all your dependents covered by an appropriate level of private patient hospital cover from 1st of July, whichever financial year to 30th of June. If you tick that box, it automatically removes the Medicare levy surcharge because it assumes that you and your entire family were covered. Now, in this instance, the client ticked the box, but that's not correct. The husband and wife were covered by appropriate level of private health insurance. However, they also had a 4-year-old son that was omitted from this cover because it was cheaper to have two separate coverage. Now, for Medicare levy surcharge purposes, for you to be exempted, your entire family, all your kids, your dependents must be covered for private health insurance. It's also important that you have to have the right coverage. So it's not just extras, it has to be appropriate hospital cover. Because of that, the ATO released the letter to us and amended the client's tax return and issued the client with an additional Medicare levy surcharge. So what is the lesson here? Be sure that when you're obtaining the private health insurance coverage for yourself and spouse, you need to cover your entire family, including your dependents.